welcome to my channel. My name is Ayana B, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show y'all how I do my brows. I'll show you what products I use, which it doesn't take me too long because I don't use any glue. I use glue sometimes, but not all the time. But because I have oily skin, I do start off with using Laura Mercier or any type of setting powder just to kind of set my brows so that it won't be oily. So, and then I just dab a little bit on there. And then you don't have to worry about the setting powder because that's going to absorb. You're going to get that, brush it off, basically. But this is just to help absorb any face products because I did all of my skincare before I put this on. So that helps to absorb it and it keeps your brows from getting oily. And then I just use any brow pencil. I do like a dark brown. And then this is from Dollar Tree, of course, and it's from Tony's. And I love how this one makes my, fills in my brows. And then you can also use an angle side. And then you have a spoolie here. So I'm going to use this spoolie just to brush my brows up. And then I typically like to start here and just kind of draw my line into my hairs. And then from there, I draw my tail. And then I'm going to do the same on the next side. Okay, so both of them are done. Then I'm going to go back in with the spoolie. Okay, so once I clean up my brows there, I go in with a flat brush and concealer. Now this is an older one, it's Maybelline, but I love it here. Make sure our brows look so fresh and sharp. So typically what I'll do, I'm going to use this mirror here. I'm going to go not too close up. To kind of just shape it. And then I'll use just a brush to kind of blend it in. All right, so I have both done. And then I'm going to go back because I'm going to make my above my eyebrows, shape that up as well. And then I'm going to actually use this mirror. And that's pretty much the same color that I'm using. And you just want to blend. much blend it in. And that's how I do my brows.